Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we will talk about the importance of entry test. What is entry test all about? What are its requirements? How can you get better score? How can you prepare for it? What are the real challenges? Well, these are the basic questions that put many of the students under pressure, and this pressure creates so much hype that they have a nervous breakdown right in the middle of the test and end up with another spell of anxiety and stress. Well, don't you worry, we are here and what we know how to feed our young ones. We know how to keep you away from all types of anxieties, depressions, and unnecessary mental sufferings. We know how to keep you fresh, energetic, and sanguine, cheerful, hopeful, making you realize your mental strength so that you stand up to challenge every problem that may come in your way to ultimate success. Well, before telling you about this, let us examine the very anatomy of success, how one can get success in every field. We are not talking about any kind of entry test or anything else, but I'm talking about anything in your life, what you need to do to get ultimate success. Here is the success where this is the point where we want to reach. So here is the problem. First of all, we need to know what are our problems, then we go for the solutions, and after, very important, we need to execute action, and then no one can stop us to get the success. And here is the belief, that is the very very important point, that is so small. All of us have a very small belief that yes, we can get success. So what are the problems? What we need to do this: locate, recognize, and define your problems. When you understand your problems, well, there is the problem, you need to go for the solution. Don't worry, we are here, a competent team of qualified and visionary teachers that can provide you every problem of your solutions. Don't you worry about it. Now what you need to do this, you just promise us and you just make it sure that you know how to execute these problems, and you know how to execute all the things that we are going to share with it. Well, this is the principle, you need to follow it. What is that? The very first thing, you need to make sure that you know what is your subject, and you know the subject knowledge very well. And the second thing is that you need to know what are the cognitive abilities. In simple terms, cognitive abilities are that when you know the knowledge, you know the ability, you know the skill, you know you are the master to relate the things together. These are called the cognitive abilities. The third one is analytical and logical assessment. Things come to you, relationships come to you, things are placed in front of you, and you must create that kind of ability to separate them together separately. And then the very important thing, that is called common sense. And the common sense is sense that's not common for everybody. Simple questions appear in the paper, and just because of hype we are unable to solve that question. So you need these four things to solve any kind of problem. So no matter what you are talking about, whether this entry test questions or any life related question, you need to have these four things in your mind. Well, come to the business. Here is the medical and dental college admission test, MDCAT 2019, last year syllabus, last year paper pattern. Here is the biology, 80 questions. Here is the chemistry, 60 questions. Here is the physics, 40 questions. And here is the English, just 20 questions. And total 20 marks at the, 200 marks. And the time duration to attempt the paper shall be 150 minutes, 2 hours, 30 minutes. And each question shall carry 1 mark with no negative marking. This has been the schedule. This has been the pattern for the last year. And we hope so. It will remain the same if the condition remains better and we are in a normal conditions. Let's see the same situation, but if it changes in any way, we are here to inform you well in time. And in the next video we will talk about the basic philosophy and the subject and the syllabus and the paper pattern of biology, then chemistry, then physics, then in English. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. And stay tuned with us to get abreast of every kind of knowledge. Thank you very